This video will show you how to install the pull-out kitchen faucet. Step 1. Preparation. You need to check everything, make sure are in the box. White spacer, metal and rubber washer, locking nut, weight kit, specification, hot and cold supply lines, and the pull-out kitchen faucet. The tools you need: adjustable wrench, Phillips screwdriver, safety glasses if you need it. Second, mount the faucet assembly. Install faucet through the top hole of installation site. Attach white spacer, rubber and metal washer. Using a screwdriver, tighten the locking nut screw, so that the faucet is secure and will not twist. Third, install hose and weight kit. Attach the pull-out hose and use wrench to make it tighten. Proper installation of the weight kit. Ensure that the sprayer retracts smoothly. Fourth, connect the hot and cold supply line. Screw and tighten the flexible line to the corresponding faucet connect. Attach flexible hose to water supply, using an adjustable wrench to ensure that is tightened. Last, flushing the line. Hold onto the spray head hose, and screw the spray head. Turn on faucet for 1 minute to flush debris from faucet. Then turn off the faucet, and reassemble the spray head.